Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Rainbow Maker in Adopt Me. This sought-after item lets your avatar leave a beautiful rainbow trail as you move. We'll cover the primary method for acquiring it and briefly touch on its pet wear counterpart. Get ready to add some colorful flair to your game. To get the Rainbow Maker for your avatar, you'll need to buy a physical Adopt Me light-up unicorn plushie. These toys are often found at major retailers or online. Inside the toy packaging, you'll find a special code. Once you have this code, go to the official Adopt Me website and enter it to redeem your in-game item. After successfully redeeming your code, the Rainbow Maker will appear in your Roblox avatar inventory. Simply equip it to your character. As you walk around Adopt Me, a stunning rainbow trail will follow behind you, making your avatar stand out. It's a fantastic way to personalize your experience and show off your style. There's also a pet wear version of the Rainbow Maker, which creates a similar trail for your pets. However, this legendary item is no longer available for direct purchase and can only be obtained through trading with other players. If you're looking for the pet wear, focus on in-game trades. Both versions add a wonderful splash of color.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.